What in the world? Let me go see what he's talking about. Here's my outfit of the day. So I made this denim hoodie recently, and I decided to pair it with this button-down shirt that I also made, which is a new look pattern. And then, let me pull this down a little bit. And then I looked through my closet and I had these jeans, which these are a Nomi pattern. And I was like, oh, I can wear the hoodie with these jeans. So this is my casual outfit of the day, layered up, ready to go. I knew we were going somewhere today, so I got up and just got ready, even though we are not leaving for several hours. We are going to be somewhere at 2 o'clock and it's 10:47. But I was like, well, I might as well just get up and get my day started and start by just getting dressed. Now, I'm taking this time to cut out Simplicity 3067. And I'm going to make view C, which is the view that the model is wearing. And I'm doing something different this time by cutting out a bigger bust cup. Normally when I have to cut out patterns that have you cut out your cup size, I usually cut an A, B. This time I'm gonna cut a C because I want a little more room in the bust area, especially because view C has the back out and I can see myself wearing something under this view since the back is out and it's sleeveless. You need 6 pieces, but then you also need to cut out a button guide piece, so that would be 7 pieces to actually cut out. And the vest is lined and you have buttons down the front, and the view that I'm making has a collar. So I cut out 2 pieces already, so next I need to cut out piece 8. Trying to go in order. And I don't have any fabric, or maybe I should say I don't have full yards of fabric. So what I'm planning to do is cut everything out and then go through my scrap fabric and see if I have enough fabric to make this garment without having to go to the store and buy some fabric. Because I do have a little denim left over from a couple of garments that I made earlier in the year, and I may have enough just for this vest since it doesn't look like it calls for a lot of fabric. I didn't get very far. I cut out the pattern and that was it. I took a break and I'm hungry, so I decided to come in here and make something to eat. So I didn't get a chance to look through my fabric scraps to see if I have any fabric or enough fabric. I'm just gonna take my time and get to it when I get to it. One thing I will do is get up early in the morning to get something done. When I tell you our refrigerator is bare, ooh, our refrigerator is bare. Like, there's nothing in that refrigerator. I'm gonna have to show you. I was like, okay, it is time to go to the store. And we've been out of town, and then when we've been back in town, or at least I'll speak for myself, I've been too tired. So we've been going through the refrigerator, eating whatever we do have in there. And yeah, now we're down to like nothing for real. And it is 6:25 in the morning, and I looked up to see what time the grocery store opened, and the one I want to go to opened at 6, so I was like, perfect, I'm there. I like getting stuff done in the morning Then when I get stuff, you know, get things done and get things out of the way, then I can have the rest of the day to do whatever I want, which is for me going to be a little bit of cleaning up and some sewing. So I'm just going to throw on this hat because it's easy and go to the store and come on back. Look at this. Nothing. We have a few drinks. I don't even think we have that many eggs in here. Let me see. Three eggs. Okay, let me go. My husband's on the phone. And I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah, it is time. I'm getting onto the highway and the traffic is bumper to bumper. It is a Monday morning and now it is 7 o'clock. Life in California. Yesterday we went out to eat. We went to Georgia's again. We were just there like 2 or 3 days ago. This time we met up with somebody else and we went to the Irvine location. And I didn't realize that Georgia's has 4 different locations out here in Southern California. So I thought that that was really cool. My husband got the works. He got greens, macaroni, chicken, something else. I can't remember the third thing. And then I got Cajun. What did he get? Was it just 3 things? Anyway, I got Cajun rice. And the first time I went there, I tried their pickles. They had fried pickles on the menu, so I gave those a try. And then the second time yesterday, I just wanted to try something different. Then after that, we came right back home. And then that's when I realized, I was like, yeah, I need to go to the store in the morning because I really wanted to get up and go through my fabric and kind of look through all my scraps and see if I have enough fabric to make the vest. But when I saw how bare the refrigerator was, I was like, yeah, I don't need to put this off any longer. Let me take care of business so we can have some real food in here. All right, let me pull up my grocery list before I get in here. All right, got it. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, so this is where I keep my scrap fabric, and I finally found some time to come in here and look through everything. Okay, so there's some denim. Here's some more. Okay, I think I'm gonna have enough. Some more denim. Here's some black fabric. That's a decent amount. So I could like put these together maybe. The rest of this is just a bunch of different colors because I kind of want to coordinate. So I have this brown, and then this is a knit, this is a woven, so that can go over there. Okay, I think I think I'm going to just go buy some fabric, because what I have might be enough, but the colors don't coordinate the way I want them to, and they are a little bit heavy, so I don't think I have anything here that I want to use for a lining. And this is everything. So I think I'm just gonna go probably to Hobby Lobby, see what they have, because I think they have some nice lightweight fabrics. Oh well, I thought I would have enough. And I guess I kind of have enough, but it's just not how I want it to look. So I won't be getting started today. Now I need to go and get me some fabric. Okay. Got that out the way. At least now I know where I'm headed. I decided to rethink everything. So I pulled my scraps back out, and I pulled out this darker denim because I had a decent amount of this. And so I decided that I'm going to go ahead and just cut out all of the pieces, well, most of the pieces in this dark denim. And then I'm going to use this corduroy for the lapel and the collar. So it's going to be a little color blocking, I guess. And I should be able to get all of these pieces cut out for the body of the vest. And then when I go to the store, all I'll need to do then is just get enough fabric for the lining. And then I'll pick up a lining that kind of coordinates with the dark denim color. Because I have some black fabric, but it's denim, and I don't want my lining to be denim. I want something a little bit lighter for the lining. So once I cut out all these pieces, then I can go get some lining and then hopefully get started. I was itching to get started, so I decided to go ahead and sew everything up to the point where it's time to put the lining together. So tomorrow my plan is to go get lining and buttons. I'm going to get these buttons, and then I'm going to get this fabric for a lining. I believe it is just 100% cotton. So this will work just fine. Here's the vest buttoned up, and then I have a top on under it. It does come down pretty low in the back. Where is it? Yeah. And also it has like a racer front. So if you do put on a bra with it, it's going to show if you put like a regular bra. Let me show you what it looks like unbuttoned. I don't know if I would wear it unbuttoned because I noticed that it kind of sags in the back a little bit when I do have it unbuttoned. My buttonholes are kind of tight. I need to probably clip them open a little more. Okay, now I love the way it looks in the front opened. A little relaxed, I like that. But then in the back, you can tell it kind of sags down, but it doesn't sag when I have it buttoned. So, I don't know. I like this look though. I kind of want to wear it open and maybe just not even worry about that. And then I'll show you how it looks without the top underneath. The only bra that I could get to work was a low back bustier. So that's what I'm wearing. I put on a strapless and you could pretty much see the whole back of the bra. You have your notched collar, your buttons, and your lining on the inside. I just pulled up to this car place. My husband took his car to get it fixed, and he left way before me, and I'm just now getting here. I was so glad I didn't find him on the side of the road because the car was having some issues, and it was like 30 minutes to get to the car place. So I was like, oh goodness, I hope he makes it. I hope he makes it, and he did. He made it just fine. So they're actually looking at the car right now. Here he comes. Oh, the door is locked. Sorry.
That's all right, baby. The car ran like a champ on the way down here. It was so smooth.
Really?
Yep. I was like nothing wrong with it.
Wow.
And I told him, and he just started laughing. I was like, but I just want to make sure it'll run. I probably just committed to doing a whole lot of work on this car that I didn't really want to. But,
really?
Yeah. But I was like, I want this and this and this, and he got an upholstery guy, so he fixed this.
Okay.
Are you watching or listening, sir?
Oh, I was reading a book. I was on my Kindle.
Yeah.
Where you want to go now?
Driving range.
Oh, really?
But I have to go home first.
You don't have your club with you?
Correct.
Okay.
You want to go with me?
I will.
Will you really?
Yeah, why not? I mean, I'm dressed. I'm out. I just need to drop this stuff off at
Did you get the book too?
What book?
With that stuff, I put a book on top of there.
No, did I need that?
Yeah, I was going to mail the book too. Well, we got to go home.
We got to go home anyway. Okay, that's fine. All right.
I met Santa Claus.
Who is that?
Santa Claus.
He pretends like he's Santa Claus?
He's sitting in there. You don't believe me, do you?
It was not the guy you were talking to. It's somebody else?
Correct. No, Santa Claus is in there. Come on. Come on. Come on.
What?
No, come on.
Let me see what you're talking about. Hold on, let me pull up.
All right.
Pull up. Okay, let me roll the window up. Oh, wait, I need to... What in the world? Let me go see what he's talking about.
Mr. Claus.
Hi!
My wife did not believe me that I met Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Oh, wow!
How are you, dear?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm unbelievable. I'm always good.
Oh, I get a hug too.
Look at that Santa sugar.
Oh, nice.
I said I met Santa
I
Claus.
think he's got my car out here. Santa just look like Santa. I am Santa.
You are Santa. Wonderful. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Thank you. Well, good to meet you.
Thank you.
All right. Good to meet you.
Nice meeting you guys.
You too. Take care. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.